They called me the warrior, the Lion of Ali, the one who never lost a battle. But in Karbala, I wasn't fighting for glory. I was fighting for loyalty, for honor, for the children who cried out, "Allah Tash, Allah Tash, we are thirsty." I did not ask for the sword to seek revenge. I asked for the permission to bring water. Even as my arms were cut, I held tight to the mashk, not the sword, because my mission was not to kill, but to serve. I was the son of Ali, but in Karbala I was simply the servant of Hussein, and when I fell, I didn't call out for help, because I knew my brother had already lost too much. This is not just my story. This is a message. True strength is in loyalty and sacrifice without expecting anything in return.